We're at the casino. How much are we gonna win?
Probably like 6,000 or 7,000.
I'm going for $1 million.
The Hard Rock Casino in Tampa, Florida is always a fun destination because it's huge and there's tons to do. So of course there is gambling, but there's also really fun restaurants. Today we're going to take you to the Sugar Factory in this video, but there are plenty of other restaurants as well, from casual to fancier sit-down type of restaurants. There is also a hotel on site, as well as bars and lounges and live entertainment. We especially like seeing the clothing of all of the celebrities that is showcased around the buildings. And here is the Sugar Factory. I was so excited to eat here. They have a few different locations around the world, and they're really known for their crazy desserts and drinks. It was such a fun atmosphere and definitely is worth visiting at least once in your life. We got a little bit of everything and just kind of shared it all because I really wanted to try dessert, I really wanted to try a drink, and the portions are huge and very sugary. So I'm glad we shared. It was perfect. And look how fun this drink is. It was really, really cool.
We are trying to get a gummy out. We've been working on this for a little while. Did you get it?
Yeah. It's frozen. It does taste like a white gummy bear.
Does it really? Wow. How did they do that? I thought of what it tastes like, and it tastes like the punch. Sorry, I can't get you in here good. It tastes like the punch that you used to drink at showers, like back when they used to make punch all the time. That's what it tastes like, exactly like that. He's been to a lot of baby showers.
How many baby showers have you been to? That seems like a lot.
How many baby showers have you been to?
One.
Today's video at the Hard Rock Casino was really to the point, but hopefully it's helpful if you're planning a visit to the Hard Rock Casino in Tampa, Florida. We did gamble, but of course we're not able to film that. We did win though, so that was exciting. Hopefully this video shows you a little bit more of what the casino can offer. We do love to gamble, like I mentioned, but even if you don't, there's something there for everybody to occupy your time, especially if you're staying there at the hotel. There's a really nice pool. All right, you guys, we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.